Hello guys, guess what I gonna cook today? Our ingredients are eggs, butter, cheese, cream, fresh milk, condensed milk, coconut milk, sugar, vanilla, salt, sugar. And of course, our main ingredient is cassava or tapioca. We will be using a blender. We also need large-size aluminum foil tub. A wash basin to wash sliced cassava. Remove the inner roots thoroughly. Time to grind into fine texture in a blender. Add fresh milk. Crack 2 eggs into it. Add coconut milk and condensed milk. Replace the lid and turn it on. Let it run for 10 seconds. Add salt and vanilla. Replace the lid again and let it run for another 10 seconds. Pour now the blended and refined cassava in a tub. Check the thickness and viscosity of the blends. Get foil tub ready by wiping butter into it. Spread it well. Pour the blended cassava into the tub, up to 2/3 full. Make sure that it is filled equally. Preheat the oven for at least 2 minutes. Bake the cassava at 250 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While waiting, prepare the special toppings. Add condensed milk into coconut milk and 1 egg. And grated cheese. Make the macapino coconut strings ready. Check the oven. Cassava will be ready in a moment. Wow, cassava cake. Do not celebrate. We are not done yet. Pierce the cake with a fork for toppings to blend deep. Spread macapino strings equally on top of the cake. Pour the toppings on top. Spread it equally. Bake it again for another 10 minutes. Oh yes, cassava cake. Wow, yummy and creamy.